Hey there, it's Deborah Razzo, the founder of WREN, the Women's Real Estate Network, and I'm so glad you found us. If you're a woman who's craving more freedom, financial security, and fulfillment, you're in the right place. You might be tired of the grind, stuck in a 9-to-5, or even in your own business wondering, is this it? How can I create wealth on my terms? Real estate changed my life. And here at WREN, we're showing thousands of women how to use real estate to build wealth, leave legacies, and live boldly. This channel is where we keep it real. We talk real estate strategies that actually work for women, how to overcome fear and money blocks, and we share inspiring stories from women just like you who've done it, even starting from scratch. At WREN, we believe in community over competition. You don't have to figure this out alone. So if you're ready to stop grinding and start building, hit that subscribe button and join us. Because wealth isn't just for the boys, it's for courageous women like you.